guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have not filmed.
Crud.
Shut up. I have not filmed properly for such a long time, but I have like a bunch of random vlog clips that don't actually like have a vlog to be in. They're just like there. I went to a Lancome event. I was so out of place. Sing. My pimples on my forehead.
Sorry, when I'm like concentrating on something like a liner or lips, like I really start. So it's on that Jenny talk.
I've just come to the toilet and I am not fancy enough to be here. Like, look at these toilets. By the way, let's do an outfit of the day. This is from Mirror Boutique. I am obsessed with it. These shoes are from Lulu's. Obsessed. But I'm not fancy enough to be here. Like, what the hell? Hello guys, so I am back from the Lancome event. That was so much fun. I went to the gym as well. I don't know why. So the event went from 5 to 7, but we got home at like 8. And then I just went to the gym until 9:30 with my eyelashes on. Like, I don't know why I did that, to be honest. Yeah, like I've still got my full makeup on. It's actually probably a good thing I went to the gym because I had like 12 macarons. But I thought I would do a little unboxing of this little gifting box that they gave us because I haven't looked in it yet. I put some macarons in there, but I haven't looked what's actually in there. You know, I should probably put some pants on before I do this. So the lighting's so bad. I look like I've just dipped my face in a bowl of grease. Let's unbox this. I'm so excited. Look how fancy this is. Like, I felt so out of place when I was there. I was like, I should not be here. So I've got these macarons. This is the freaking best thing I've ever had in my life. This yellow macaron. I think it's like lemon and coconut. Oh my god, I'm saving that for tomorrow because that was just delish. And then we have this lipstick, which is in French. I'm not going to be able to read any of this. I'm like not even going to try. But it's in the shade 368. It's a hydrating shade pink lip color. See, this is why I don't deserve to go to these events because I can't even freaking say what it's called. And this is the color. It's such like a pretty berry. What the hell am I talking about? It's just pink. I don't know how to describe it. And it has Lancome engraved in the thing. Oh, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for these swatches too. Oof. And then I got this Long Time No Shine loose setting and mattifying powder. Oh my god, I'm really excited for this. I don't have a translucent. I just ripped the box. I don't have a translucent powder. There is a lot of product in there too. My god, living for this. I'm so excited to try all these out. I'm gonna do a makeup video soon because, you know, everyone needs my advice on how to do makeup. And then I got this, which is the thing that I'm most excited for. It is the Ultra Wear 24-hour wear and comfort retouch free SPF 15 foundation. This is just stunning. I do not deserve this. I literally wear Maybelline foundation. Why have I got this? And then lastly, which everyone was raving about this at the event, this is Genifique Hydrogel Melting Mask. I love face masks. It's one of those sheet masks. Man, I'm excited for this. I might do this in my next vlog, so stay tuned for my next vlog. I will try this Genifique Hydrogel Melting Mask. But anyway, that is my little unboxing of Lancome. I just love how they have the little flower engraved and everything. Packaging's 10 out of 10. I can't believe I wore my fake eyelashes to the gym. I would have looked like the biggest douchebag in the entire world. Look at that. Okay. Okay, I will see you guys in the what the hell did I just say? I will see you guys in the next clip. And then I have a few clips from this Running Touch concert that I went to, which was amazing. So I'll just insert a few clips from there now.
Nothing better than a hometown crowd. I don't know how much this means to me here tonight. Share this song with you. I want to thank every single person involved with this project. Every single friend of mine here tonight. This song goes out to you. Let me hear you go on!
Also, I went to the beach with my friends because we're going to Bali in a month today. And it's come up so quick. I feel like I'm not even going to believe that I'm going until I'm actually there. But I'm so excited. And now we are here. I'm really freaking hot because I'm standing in front of this huge window for good lighting. We're going to go to Safeway to get
our doggies some fresh air.
because it's a beautiful day out today, and as I said before, it's a month until I go to Bali, so I need to get serious about healthy lifestyle.
How many times have you guys heard that, huh?
I know, how many times have you guys heard that? I reckon I say that in like every video. Also, I'm wearing this top today for the first time that I literally got like a year ago. It makes me look pregnant, like with these jeans. Ooh, okay. Let's go, ladies. Hey, actually, oh, here's my Uber Eats from last night. Like right as I'm saying, stop, I'm gonna eat healthy. I got some new glasses yesterday. I'm so excited because I lost my glasses like a month ago. So I have just been not being able to see for like a month. I forgot what it's like to be able to see not blurry. I got these ones.
Can I see how, like...
Shut up! Don't talk to me. I got these ones. I don't know why I chose these ones. I was like trying to be cool. Just get ones that are like outside the box. But they really look bad on me. I look like a librarian. And then I got these ones.
I can't see nothing.
They look really... Oh my god, you're actually embarrassing. Okay, we're back, but I'm just gonna do a really quick grocery haul because let's be honest, who the hell cares what I got from the grocery store? I got this lettuce, apples. I got these Mission Tortilla Triangles Chili and Lime. They're gluten-free, so I feel like they're healthy, but they're not. These are... A few of these things are really not healthy at all, but it's all about balance. This chicken, it's like leaking. This chicken juice covered brown rice and quinoa, and this healthy peanut butter. It's got 5 health stars. So then this dip, which is really good with these crackers, apricot slices, caramel koalas, tomatoes, yogurt, oranges, 2 avocados, and a fat cucumber. That is massive. And that's my entire grocery haul. Hope you guys enjoyed. Okay guys, so it is quite a few hours later. I look so tragic, but I thought that I would share with you guys my skin routine right now. My skin right now is really freaking bad, but I'm still just going to show you how to achieve this. I have like 12 pimples on my chin. Yeah, So I'm gonna put this headband on. This is a Lorna Jane headband, but I don't use it for the gym. I just used it for this because I look like a douchebag. The reason I wanted to show you guys my skin routine at the moment, because Frank Body sent me a few of their products and I've been trying them out. And besides the packaging being like actually the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life, like I've actually really been enjoying their products. And I don't usually switch up my skin routine very often because I'm a creature of habit. That's such a weird phrase, I've never said that before. But first I just take off my makeup with this Tatcha Pure cleansing oil. My sister's like really anal about skincare, so she gives me all of this stuff. I don't actually know how to use it, but... Ow! Oh my god, I have the biggest pimple on my chin. It hurts so bad. I just like, yeah. I don't know what I was gonna say just then. I actually hate taking my makeup off sometimes because I get so used to looking a certain way during the day. And I take off my makeup and I'm like, whoa, shit. And then you just wipe it away with a towel. Oh my god, you can really see my pimples now. I forgot how disgusting they were. So next step on my skincare routine is the Frank Body Glow Mask. I love this. It smells like almonds and it's like a really cool paste. You apply it in a thick layer all over your face and you can do it on your neck as well. And you kind of have to massage it in and it starts to get a bit like foamy. Not foamy, but like, you know. I actually love face masks. I feel like I don't do them near enough. Especially considering I'm just so, what am I talking about? So once you feel like you've massaged it enough into your skin, just leave it for 5 minutes. So while we're waiting for that to set, I'm going to scrub my lips. Lips being hydrated and nice and scrubbed is something that I am very passionate about because for some reason when I was younger, like I never wore lip balm and my lips looked like a crusty butthole, like it was so bad. And now I'm just very, very strict about it. So we're going to be using this Cherry Bomb Lip Scrub by Frank Body. Such cute packaging. I use this like so often and you really don't need that much. Look how cool it looks. And it tastes like a Zappo. Like, maybe don't eat it, but I do. Hey bro.
Hi vlogs. It's me. The better sister. The sexier sister. Go away. The singlet isn't working with it. Yeah.
I'm trying to scrub my lips.
Scrub my lips.
And it actually tastes like a Zappo. It's so good.
What is it?
The cherry lip scrub. Don't eat it. Hands off.
Excuse me. She's got some.
Charlotte.
Jessie.
And then your lips are so smooth. And then the last step for the lips is this
I need
Cherry Bomb lip tint. I love this. I don't so much use this as much at nighttime because I don't really need my lips tinted at nighttime because who do I have to impress? Who do I have to impress anyway? But it's still nice if you don't want to wear lipstick or lip liner to put a nice tint on your lips. Especially I have really pale lips sometimes and I'm not a fan. So this is really good. It's just a really nice red color like that. I don't know if you can see that. And you just dab it on. Love it.
You've filmed like 2 videos today.
I told you I'm
3.
so inspired.
3 videos coming for you guys.
Get off.
Coming for you. In your sleep.
So it's been about 5 minutes. You'll know when it's been about the right time because the mask starts to like
Crystallize.
no, it gets like lighter in the color. So I'm just going to wash this off. This is great.
You did not get that off.
Okay, so now the Frank Bod stuff is done. I'm just going to show you the rest of my routine. So I use this Skin Institute Moisture Defense Ultra Dry Moisturizer. This is like almost finished, and I'm really sad because it's like $30 and I don't want to buy a new one. And just rub it on. I have really dry skin, so this is good. Get out.
Pretty now.
I just have pimples. Get out of here.
Get out of here with my eye holes.
Shut up.
Ew, you look so bad. Shut up. I'm trying to find my palette.
And then I put on this Votary Super Seed Facial Oil. This is something else that my sister gave to me for my skin because it's so freaking dry. And I feel so fancy when I use this, not gonna lie. I just kind of, it's got like this drip thing. Just drop it onto my skin. And then once that is mixed in and we're looking really nice and oily, I just like to finish it off with the Mario Badescu facial spray. Give myself like... And then I finish up with some lip balm because, as I told you guys, I'm very anal about lip balm. I feel like I shouldn't use anal and lip in the same sentence. And now I look so ugly, so we're done. So now I'm probably just going to lie in bed and watch Bear Grylls. Actually, I'm probably going to end the vlog here. I'm literally holding my tripod.
Jessie, here's the thesis.
Dude, can I please just finish my vlog before you guys be any more annoying? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm feeling so inspired with YouTube at the moment, so you're gonna have a lot of videos to watch if that's okay with you. Is the lighting really atrocious?
Yeah, you look really ugly.
Oh, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys. Oh wait, also thank you so much to Frank Bod for sending me those products. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, and I will continue to use them for a long time. You're so annoying.
Crack myself up. Give me the crackers. Crackers and cheese.
I hope you guys have an amazing day today, and I will see you very, very soon in a new video. Bye guys. Say bye.
See ya. Catch you on the flip side.
You're gonna hate yourself when you watch that back.